Hello and welcome to tutorial 4 of the Java application. Here I've already pre-written the code, so it'll be much more of a just looking at how these are implemented as the information has been given. So as we can see here, a normal array has been declared with the values, and pretty much it. So if you wanted to just declare a normal array with nothing being initialized, you would declare it double the brackets and the name. If you wanted to declare it with a size, you would follow a very similar syntax as the initialization, but rather just finishing, you'd add the new keyword and then the data type followed by square brackets again, with the number of the size of the array being put in. Then, if you wanted to print out the array in a for loop primarily, you would first get the array, then .length, which is the property. You then call the array, and then I will print out the index of the array. Array lists are much more stronger, but here's the name of it, the data type which we use is strings, countries, and then we added countries such as Wales, England, and Scotland. And then rather than having to use a for loop again, array lists have a toString method with them, so we can print the content without having to iterate through, which is a much powerful more way of doing it. Array lists are very good as they don't have a static size, while arrays do. As you can see above, if we were to add anything else to that array, it would crash, but to the array list we could add another country, say Southern Ireland, and it would successfully be added. Another great thing is rather than having to worry about doing all those computations above, array lists have methods implemented, as we can see .add and .toString. These are very good and they're very simple, rather than having to using for loops to compute. So if I quickly CLS this, quickly run it, you can see that the array has been printed with the full contents, and then the array list below has been also printed. So you can see 11, 22, 33, and 100 are there, and all the countries are there. So I hope this practical implementation helps you, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial video. Bye bye.